So can you use two apps at once on the iPhone? Let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, the short official answer is that it's not doable, at least currently in the iOS 26, and we don't really expect it to be the case in the future. Perhaps with the next foldable iPhone, if it ever comes out, then it should work then, but right now it's not really the case. However, there are some things you should know, like inside of the settings general, there is the background app refresh, which means that there are technically more apps working at the same time. It's just that you cannot really split the screen with two apps, but you can have some more apps running at the same time. Some people might prefer that, so you can see that I get to decide that, I don't know, some kind of like weather app is working in the background, even though it's not like officially shown there, but it still is working and at the same time. So that's something you could consider. And also one more thing which you can do to make or get like the multitasking on the iPhone would be to use the picture-in-picture, which is part of the general section, and supported apps. If you have YouTube Premium, for example, that works well. Like there, you can just watch content, leave the app, and there you have like a picture-in-picture mode, like a floating video on top of anything else you do, meaning that you can sort of multitask, but in this very limited way. So that's what I wanted to quickly explain in this video. Let me know what you think below, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.